in Breckenridge. Let's check in with meteorologist Stacey Donaldson, who's tracking this absolutely beautiful weather. Stacey?
Yes, we actually tied a record today. It was that warm, 83 degrees at DIA. Our previous record was 83, set back way back in 1948. And it was warm all across the Front Range and the Plains. 85 for Akron today and for Greeley, 90 for Lamar, and 85 for Pueblo. Up in the mountains, 60s and 70s for afternoon highs and upper 70s for the western slope around Grand Junction. Right now we have 77 degrees at DIA, 78 in Aurora, and 75 in Arvada. If you're in Boulder, still 77 degrees for you. Our wind gusts, it's been pretty strong here across the Plains and even here in Denver. 36-mile-an-hour gusts today, 37 in Akron right now, and 35 for Colorado Springs. A little breezy here through the western part of the state, but we have a red flag warning in effect for the eastern Plains, southern Colorado, and the western part of the state through tomorrow once again. This is basically the same area we had the red flag warning in effect for today as well. A few more hours on that, and then it will go back into effect tomorrow. Our satellite radar picture is pretty quiet here across the state. Just some clouds moving on through. A few scattered showers across the eastern Plains. It is dry here over Denver, and that will remain the case in through the rest of the night. As I mentioned, a few scattered showers here toward Burlington and farther east of Burlington, but up in the mountains, much more quiet than it was yesterday at this time, where we had a lot of shower activity moving on through. So our overnight low tonight, 47 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and our lows by tomorrow morning will mostly be in the 40s and 50s here, 30s and 40s for the high country and down into southwestern Colorado. So throughout the day tomorrow, it'll be mild, a little bit breezy throughout the day. We'll have a few scattered showers up into northern Colorado, but still sunny and warm here for the Front Range. This will be by 2:30 in the afternoon tomorrow. And then, as you see, not much happening here across the Plains. We will see chances for rain after tomorrow, though. 75 degrees for our high. Monday, partly cloudy skies, a little bit breezy, as I mentioned. Highs will be in the 70s here across the Front Range and the Plains. Still 80s for southeastern Colorado and 60s for the western slope. So slightly cooler tomorrow. Then we get into Tuesday morning and afternoon. Light rain here for the Front Range. This will be by noon as this cold front moves into the state. And we'll see light snow up in the high country by Tuesday night. Rain continuing here for the Front Range and the Plains even into Wednesday during the day. It'll be rainy and cooler here from Fort Collins and Denver all the way across toward Burlington, with snow for our northern, central, and southern mountains. Should be light in those areas, though. Our 7-day forecast in the 70s tomorrow, then 60s on Tuesday. Chances for rain. A really showery, cooler day on Wednesday, then 58 as the rain moves out on Thursday.